Microsoft, and the domain expert was actually an expert in relational algebra on the building of databases. So we cannot possibly do DDD in this architecture, and we're going to talk about how you get around that in a minute. But there's some other interesting things about this architecture. I'm curious, has anyone tried to scale this before? Yeah? How do we scale it?
Caching.
Caching. Sprinkles maximum complexity. How many people have had to scale this by buying a bigger one of those? And the reason I call caching accidental complexity is because, yes, we can bring in caching, but now we get the problem of how do we invalidate the cache? How do we know when to go through and invalidate the cache so that we actually show people proper information? And then we start talking about, well, we'll go grab a framework like Hibernate. And Hibernate will invalidate the level 2 caches for us. Even from operations, now we've got these caches, and we've got our data models. This is a lot of complexity we're bringing into this problem. I'm curious, in your systems, how many writes do you do for every read? My average is about 1 to 2 orders of magnitude. 2 is pretty common. So you'll get 100 reads for every 1 write. Now, how many of you model your data in first normal form? No one? How about third normal form? Or right around third normal form, boys cod, high second. So if you get 100 reads for every write, why have you optimized for writing? And you wonder why you need to build bigger databases. So you go through and build out